G'day everyone, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today I'm really excited because we're doing an unboxing and initial impressions of the Oppo R11s. Stoked to get this. Had to trade in the old Nokia 8, wasn't getting any love out of that device whatsoever, so we picked up this baby. Australian variant, Snapdragon 660, 4 gigs of RAM, 64 gigs of storage. So we're going to get it out of the box, have a look at it. First impressions, with more videos to come later. Let's get stuck into it. First thing I'll do is show you on the box, minimal branding, Oppo here, R11s here. On the side, R11s, and that's it. You've got your IMEI numbers and stuff on that side. Nothing there, nothing there. Let's slide this out. It's a little bit tight. Put the box here. There's the device. I'm going to power that on. Just put it over here for now. Let's see what else we got inside the box. SIM ejection tool. I lose 2 of those a day. I don't know what I do with them, but every time I go to get one, I can't find one. Now I was told that this comes with a case, so I'm interested to see how good of a case it is. There's the case. It actually does look not too bad. The last Oppo I got was the A73, and it had a really flimsy plastic case. This one feels really nice actually. Feels nice and rubbery on top, and it's sort of smooth, sort of velvety feel in there. Looks nice, feels nice. I'm glad they included that. That's a win if you ask me. Here we got our books. Information guide, recycling guide, quick start guide, don't need that. Charging brick, looks pretty cool. Put that aside there. Then we've got a funny looking tub, headphones, and the micro USB cable. So there's your headphones, they look pretty cool. Micro USB cable. Gee, that's wrapped in a certain kind of way that's sort of familiar. Reckon that might be familiar to the OnePlus 5? Probably, but that's all right. We're not here to judge on that front. Let's get to the device. So here we have some nice wrapping. I didn't see how long that took to boot up, but I'm pretty happy so far. All right, we'll get stuck into it. Now, 220 megapixel cameras, one on the front, one on the back, and also on the back you do have a 16 megapixel camera. 20 on the front, 20 and 16 on the back. Fingerprint scanner on the back here. A bit of plastic, we'll take that off. Bit of branding there. Volume rockers on one side. Power button and SIM slot on the other side. Oops. Nearly told it I was in Bangladesh. Now on the bottom you have your micro USB port, headphone jack and your speaker. I think we have Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. I will double check that for my full-on review. On the back we have aluminium all the way around. Antenna bands there and there. You can see top and bottom. But I tell you, this is a very thin device. Quite impressed with what I see and feel so far. Going to do a lot of reviewing on this. I especially want to check these cameras out. I truly believe there's too many cheap phones out there, or mid-range phones with really bad cameras, and I don't think that should be the case, not in today's world. So this is going to be interesting. We have our fingerprint, face, and passcode settings. So we're going to jump in and have a crack at this. I'll just set up a secure pin. Right, add fingerprint. Now it says adjust my position. Done, continue. Now enroll facial info. Now I have been told that this struggles in really bright light to enroll the info. So we're going to have a crack and see how we go. Well, that worked. I hope you've seen that in the camera here. That worked. So pretty impressed. Microphone on the top, microphone on the bottom. Let's just check out how fast that fingerprint unlock works pretty quickly. Let's see if I can get the facial recognition to work. That worked really quickly. I'm really impressed with it. It works before I even get my face to it, so I'm really impressed with that. Now, hit me up in the comments below. What do you want to know about the Oppo R11s? I'm really keen to do full in-depth reviews on this. There's not a lot out there on YouTube, so I'm going to cover the camera, the software, the build quality, the display. I'm going to cover all that. We are talking an 18:9 display, as you can see there. 18:9 aspect ratio, 2160 by 1080, which I think is pretty impressive. Only 401 for the PPI, but you don't really need that much. I mean, can you tell that that's not 4K? I don't know. I'm pretty happy with what I see there. Definitely going to test the camera out. Let's have a quick look now to see what it does. Have a quick look. So that looks pretty good to me. That's the first photo I've taken with it. Let's take a photo of something else. Definitely happy with what I see there. Have a look at that. That's the second photo I've ever taken with it. I'm impressed. Are you impressed? Tell me what you think. You really got to give me some questions down below on what to review and what to cover in my review for this device. Whatever I can, if I can do it, I will do it for you. The Oppo R11s. So far, so good. Let's just quickly chuck this case on. Now, the good thing about that, it's not going to get scratched up. Very pink though. Check that out. I mean, the phone is red, but the case is pink. And you can just see just under here a little bit of red seeping through into the glass. Like I said, we've got Gorilla Glass 5, aluminium, fingerprint scanner, face unlock. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more videos on the Oppo R11s. Like I said, questions down below. Thank you for coming. I will catch you in the next video. Check ya.